Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about best plumbing service software providers for 2023. So guys, let's start. Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is the best overall plumbing service software for a lot of reasons. This robust popular software will be able to manage nearly every aspect of your plumbing business from a single comprehensive platform. Housecall Pro can handle the workload of any sized company, all while making it fundamentally more productive thanks to a wide range of helpful features. Sharp Suite Sharp Suite is definitely a solid competitor of Housecall Pro for the top spot. It took the top spot for training features, offering an entire Sharp Suite university that encourages 8 hours of live interactive training before getting started. Gorilla Dex Gorilla Dex love clever brand name at tech.co, and Gorilla Dex definitely caught their eye. It's more than a funny name. Through the Gorilla Dex really offers a lot, particularly when it comes to value, with the lowest pricing plans on the list and excellent saving opportunities for small size teams. In our research, Gorilla Dex scored a 5/5 in both invoicing and schedule and dispatch features categories. Just like Housecall Pro, this provider also offers 24/7 support and email, phone, and live chat. Knitting is a 5/5 for customer service in their research. Field days. Like many options on the list, Field Days excels substantially when it comes to features, scoring 5 to 5 in scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing, respectively. For invoicing in particularly, Field Days is a solid option, allowing user the ability to do automated and batch invoicing while also providing reminders, tracking, and templates for invoicing. This means it can keep pitch with the likes of Housecall Pro and Gorilla Dex when it comes to features.